Are you sick and tired of using the same old tools that never seem to function properly? Don't look elsewhere. We searched the market and identified the coolest and most useful products that are actually worth purchasing. These products, which feature cutting-edge technology and stylish designs, will alter the way you work and simplify your life. Upgrade to these game-changing tools right away instead of settling for subpar ones. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, and let's dive in. Impact drivers and battery-powered everything is popular among DIY enthusiasts. Computer nerds each have their own distinctive electric screwdrivers. The necessary equipment for maintaining a lawn might occupy entire sheds. We can spend more time doing the things we love with less effort because tools make our lives easier. We have built a list of the most recent and effective technologies available. Huckberry X Craig Hill EDC Kit. You have a reliable loadout that fits well in your pocket with this EDC kit. These items are contained in the kit: a low-profile folding knife that's surprisingly strong despite its small size, a steel-bodied, brass-capped pen with an integrated clip made specifically for use on the key ring, and a screw-top key capsule that can also be used to carry around mints or painkillers as needed. All of these items are made of stylish stainless steel. The set is durable, well-made, and even includes a gift box, making it the ideal holiday or birthday gift. Hoto Home Tool Set. With this home tool set, you can complete any DIY, repair, or home improvement project. The toolbox itself is compact enough to go into any desk or kitchen drawer, or even your car's glove box. A magnetic hammer, self-locking measuring tape, adjustable spanner, needle nose pliers, and a manual screwdriver with 10 bits are among the essential tools it contains. Each tool is made to withstand corrosion and be strong enough to withstand years of regular use around your house without breaking or wearing out. Night Eyes Cam Jam XT Rope Tightener. The Cam Jam XT is the ideal tool for getting lines tight because it was created to make the process of tightening cordage simpler. It simplifies fastening, tensioning, and lashing downloads by coupling a carabiner with a locking cam mechanism. Use the cam mechanism to securely connect, tighten, and quickly release your cord after attaching the carabiner to a permanent anchor point. True Utility Titanium Locking Pocket Multitool. Have the TI Pocket Multitool close by so you'll never be caught unprepared for those short and dirty daily activities. It is made of extremely durable titanium with a titanium nitride coating that increases durability and guards against rust, corrosion, and wear. It is packed with features, including spring-loaded pliers with built-in wire cutters, an awl, a bottle opener, a saw, a knife, and a dual-headed screwdriver. The very useful multi-tool can be quickly adjusted to the task at hand thanks to the dual position locks 90 and 180 degrees, and the ergonomic handle maximizes comfort however you use the tool. Hoto Tire Inflator. You won't again have to worry about a low tire if you keep this bad boy in your car or garage. It can inflate a bicycle tire in 129 seconds or a car tire in 8.5 minutes with its pressure generator, which has a maximum pressure output of 150 psi. The high-precision digital pressure measurements are precise to 0.1 bars and have an auto-stop feature that turns off the pump as soon as it reaches the desired pressure level. 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery may be charged using a power outlet or any USB-C compatible device, and it can last for several full charges before needing to be recharged. For added convenience, while changing your tire after dark, it even has an integrated LED light. Most of all, it's small enough to carry in your messenger bag or backpack, and the shockproof TPU cover will protect it even if you drop it or inadvertently run it over with a car. Riker Bag Tool Organizer. You'll always be prepared if you keep this bag in the trunk of your car, truck, or RV. The tool organizer has 4 generously sized zipped pockets that offer you plenty of room for all your daily tools, plus 2 removable pockets for when you need more space, even though it rolls up into a beautiful little and portable bundle. The handles are rip-resistant and made to allow you to hang the unrolled tool organizer from any hook or nail in the shop or garage. The material is a heavy-duty canvas that is water-resistant and durable enough to bear the rigors of the job or campground. It's the ideal companion to carry all the tools you need for any occasion, whether you're going fishing, hiking through the forest, or riding cross-country. Wubin G2 EDC Keychain Light. You'll never be without light if you keep this little flashlight on your keychain. It's the ideal small flashlight for taking camping and using around the house because it produces 500 lumens, which is easily as bright as any light bulb in your home. You can even use it to crawl under your car to check the oil. You may adjust the brightness of the light using the 5 settings, which range from a moon, which is the softest setting, to a turbo, which is the brightest option. This feature increases the 28 mAh battery's continuous runtime to up to 70 hours. It is only 28 grams in weight, fits on your keychain, and charges quickly and effortlessly using USB-C to deliver more power. A very practical small addition to your EDC loadout is this Knife-Co Gizmo Pry Bar Tool. For any DIY projects around the house, have this small tool nearby. It is made of incredibly durable yet incredibly light titanium, which is strong enough to pry out even full-size decking and framing nails while remaining small enough to carry in your pocket or tool pouch. The built-in bottle opener will be useful during breaks. Simple in design, you may start prying as soon as you insert the head under a nail. It is well-made, durable, and comfortable in your hands even without gloves. It costs a little bit more than a regular pry bar, but it's worth it to acquire a highly portable, ultra-compact tool that you can bring to any job site without adding extra weight to your loadout. Bear Trap Multifunction Work Light. With this incredibly strong portable work light from Streamlight, you can transport the Brilliance to your home workshop or workplace. You may carry a miniature sun around with you everywhere you go because of its small size and low weight of only 2 pounds and 7.6 inches, respectively. It is very adaptable because it can clamp almost anywhere or stand alone. A magnetic base and stowable hook provide additional mounting choices. Use the spotlight option to focus the beam on a single crucial object, or the flood setting to maximize lighting at a mind-boggling 2000 lumens. You have enough light to operate through even the darkest night with a runtime of up to 4.5 hours on the high setting and 12.5 hours on the low. Max Multipurpose Axe Toolkit. You should be prepared for anything Mother Nature may throw at you, whether you've headed out into the wilderness for a weekend of hunting or simply an overnight camping excursion. You will be if you use the Max tool set. Axe, shovel, pick, broad pick, mattock, rake, and combination McLeod are among the 8 pieces in this package, which was constructed by Forest Tool utilizing only the finest American materials. With the 6 included steel pins, the interchangeable heads are simply fastened into position on the 34-inch composite polyglass handle. They can be switched out in a matter of seconds while remaining incredibly strong with each swing. Even better, each head has its own incredibly durable Cordura nylon carrying case, allowing you to keep everything organized and prepared at all times. Wubin Tinder Wick and Bellow Firestarter. Are you fed up with battling to start your campfire? With this equipment for starting a fire in your bag, you won't ever have to worry about it again. The paraffin wax-infused hemp ignites instantaneously but doesn't burn through like conventional rope in a matter of minutes. As a result of the wax, it behaves more like a candle wick and burns for an hour or longer, giving you plenty of time to lay it next to your kindling to start a blazing fire. You may look forward to hours of burn time even if it is only 6 mm thick and 13 feet long. The attached sleeve, which remains cold to the touch even after close contact with a burning fire, makes it simple to put out the flame or let it burn longer. The box also functions as a bellow, which is the best feature because it makes it simpler than ever to start a campfire in inclement weather. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.